Alright, well, I just finished wrenching out this PVC fitting right here from my rudder assembly, and this is the first piece that's broken in close to 2 years, and I've used this thing heavily, and it's one of my favorite modifications. So I got the broken cup link out. I'm going to take this new 1-inch piece and fit it into this galvanized floor flange that I have attached to the yak. Tighten that down with some channel locks and glue in this piece here, and I assure you that does line up. So I'll wrench that piece in there and we'll be good to go again, and I'll be ready for my paddles, which have also been really good. These plexiglass Skegs, highly recommended, and pretty durable considering how much use I've gotten out of them. So that's it. There's your kayak update for the day.